the HDFC twins, HDFC Bank and HDFC, State Bank of India, Axis, all these stocks were down. Metal stocks were down, JSW Steel and Hindalco, Tata Steel as well. Reliance saw big pressure today, 3% down on Reliance. So that's on the downside. On the upside, as I said, classical defensive play. So Asian Paints was up 3%, Sun Pharma was up 2.5%, Dr. Reddy's was up close to 2%, Nestle, Hindustan Unilever, Tech Mahindra, a couple of IT names here or there, they did well. But the broader market, Prashant?
Came under pressure, severe pressure. I mean, just put up Z, if you will. What a turnaround, I mean, on Z. From the high today, it lost 15 rupees. I mean, 254 ends at the lowest point of the day today. But 2:1 in terms of declines to advances otherwise. Motherson was down 4.5%. Punjab National Bank was down 5%. The new listing that was down for Harsha Engineering, I think, 4.25%. Chambal Fertilizer down 4.75%. HCC lost 7%. Raymond was down 5%. We had BF Utilities down 4%. PNB Housing was down 4%. Saxoft was down 8.5%. Gati was down 4.5%. Advanced Enzymes was down 4.5%. Bharat Gears down 4.5%. And many more. Philatex was down 6%. We had the management with us earlier in the morning. Canfin Homes was the other one. We started the show with that. That ended marginally in the green, off the highs by quite a bit. I mean, actually almost flat, almost in the red in trade. About 0.5% higher. Niger.
Well, it's a poor close actually to the trading session. When we start off closer around the 16,800, you bounce back 250 points odd, and you end closer to the lower range. Well, that's not a great sign at all. The Nifty Bank, by the way, on September 15th, we made a fresh 52-week high. From there, it's corrected a good 10%. Advanced decline ratio as well is quite telling because you had two stocks that were declining for just one stock that was advancing. Though in relative terms, the mid-cap index, well, it outperformed the frontline index because that was down close to around 0.4% or thereabouts. All in all, a weak trading session. The bears, well, they'll be feeling good. Those bounces are getting sold into. It appears it's a matter of time before we get a bit of a bounce. But when will that happen? Well, that's going to be a crucial factor as well. For the time being, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. But up next, Mad About Markets. You stay with us.